Good morning, everybody. I have the pleasure today to have with us Andrea Cusack and Pascale Clement. Andrea is the CEO of Leon-nanodrugs, and Pascale is the CTO of Leon-nanodrugs. So, hi to everybody. Andrea, can you tell us a brief history of Leon-nanodrugs?
Absolutely. Leon was founded actually in Munich in 2012. It successfully completed a Series A funding round in 2015. And we are delighted to have recently completed our Series B funding, welcoming two new investors, BioBG and Evotec, to the existing investors. Our strategic partnership, particularly with Evotec, enables Leon to leverage rapid downstream technology scale up, which is super important for our clients for both NCEs and also established drug products. It facilitates for both companies use of their know-how, formulation expertise, but to the benefit of the client and patients alike in more flexible and agile development processes.
Good. So, nanodrugs. So, can you give us more details when you say enabling nano? So, enabling nano now is a bold promise. How do you deliver it?
Leon delivers novel, validated, and optimized solutions. And the intent is, of course, to create value for our clients, but also, I think, first and foremost, better outcomes for patient treatments. So we take APIs, we deliver enhanced bioavailability, increased solubility, improved stability, and really look to revitalize forgotten formulations and breathe new life into generics, but also to focus on new chemical entities coming through, that we can make them much more convenient for patients.
Good. Pascale, for you, this question is for you. What makes your technology different to the other options available?
Yes, as you may know, Silvana, nanotechnology is certainly not new. It has been around for at least a couple of decades. There have always been challenges around size and ease of scale-up using older traditional manufacturing. The Leon technology is unique, with scale-up and validation being very simple. The technology is based on a continuous precipitation using a small macrojet reactor. This hardware remains the same at bench, pilot, and commercial. There are no moving parts, no heat, no shear force, and we only need a mathematical modeling with only a couple of process parameters to adjust. So in short, it means you can go from one scale to another in hours, days, and not weeks, months. And we can produce size ranging from 10 nanometer to 70 micron.
Oh, good. So who stands to benefit most of your offer?
So our technology can benefit both the company who has a new chemical entity with solubility challenge and the ones who are looking for a generic or drug repurposing option. However, the ones who benefit the most are the patients with an improved medication. I give you an example. If you are a cancer patient and you take your medication twice a day, but you cannot eat 2 hours before and 1 hour afterwards. So that makes a 6-hour window, which is out. If the same medication can be nano-formulated with no food effect, then the patient quality of life is improved and the pharma company has an enhanced differentiated product.
Oh yeah, very good. I was attending recently 2 conferences. One was on personalized nutrition and the other one was for personalized medication. And, you know, they discuss many things like this one. I mean, because when we can really offer to the patient something which makes his life better, I think that the result in all sense will be much better. Okay, thank you very much. Andrea, we consider now the special moment we're living, so COVID-19. what is, how do you see the future of the company and the future of this kind of industry in these 12 months, or maybe also in the future months? What do you think about that? We have to take some lessons from the story.
I do. I mean, Leon is a small team, and first and foremost is the well-being of our employees, families, and friends, and also our clients and provider networks is paramount. We moved to virtual working very early on, so we have been relatively unaffected. Clearly, we've done a lot of learning on web platforms, and we meet every day. We share the learnings, celebrate the success, prioritize our activities accomplished. But it will also be very much welcome to get back into the office, share a cup of coffee, and have that more informal discussion. And I think with respect to the industry, the pharma industry is fortunate. A great aspect of working in this industry is the desire and the motivation to have a positive impact on people's lives and creating those better treatments. So for me, I'm really pleased to see and witness that the industry has come together to share knowledge, to forge collaborations with a real sense of urgency, which is perhaps a little unusual in our industry. It tends to have a much perhaps slower pace compared to others. And I think my hope is that the industry will reflect on the learnings and we will be able to use them to enable us to accelerate and advance healthcare for the benefit of everyone going forward. I think the natural consequences are that for our industry, we will have perhaps some impact with regards to timelines, particularly in a clinical setting. But I think those are recoverable as we get back to a normal working pace and return to the office and to the laboratories. So I'm optimistic that we can walk away stronger, faster, and more agile for producing those therapies for patients, particularly in much needed indications.
I hope so. You know, we all hope so. Pascale, we have just a few seconds. Try to convince me why I should use a nano solution right now.
Okay. Our technology offers a novel, validated, optimized solution that create values for our client and provide better outcomes for their patient. And we can quickly evaluate the fit of a drug substance to our technology by offering a quick proof of concept feasibility study using our one-stop shop approach with our network partner Evotec, which facilitate bench to clinic in a rapid time frame.
I don't tell you the answer, but you know, you have been very clear, very clear. Okay, thank you, Pascale. Thank you, Andreas. You've been very nice. I appreciate very much what you told us. I'm sure that our audience will be very happy just to learn more about your technology. So I say, ciao, stay well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Silvana. Thank you. Bye now.